less than ape data end equals 490 data start equals 88 greater than. It's one of those cases where the deeper you go, the more tangled it gets. The retrial of Karen Reed, charged with the second-degree murder of her boyfriend, Boston police officer John O'Keefe, is reaching its dramatic conclusion. And the courtroom drama isn't just about what happened on a snowy January night in 2022. It's about whether we can trust the very institutions meant to protect the truth. Less than P data end equals 958 data start equals 492 greater than prosecutors claim. Reed backed her SUV into O'Keefe outside a party in Canton, Massachusetts, after a night of drinking. They allege she struck him while reversing at a speed of 24 miles per hour, breaking her taillight and causing fatal injuries. When O'Keefe's body was discovered in the snow the next morning, a paramedic testified that Reed blurted out, less than M data end equals 874 data start equals 838, greater than, I hit him, I hit him, I hit him. That's the moment prosecutors say she confessed, raw, unfiltered, and spontaneous. Less than P data end equals 1367. Data start equals 960, greater than. But Reed and her legal team paint a very different picture. They say this isn't a tragic accident, but a corrupted investigation. One marred by bias, broken procedures, and a deliberate effort to frame her. In closing arguments, her lawyer Alan Jackson didn't hold back, telling the jury, less than M data end equals 1367 data start equals 1249 greater than, you are the last line of defense between an innocent woman and a system that has tried mightily to bury the truth. Less than P data end equals 1816. Data start equals 1369 greater than. The defense doesn't argue that someone else did it, at least not directly. Instead, they raise doubt. They challenge the science, the chain of custody, and even the character of lead investigator Michael Proctor, who was dishonorably discharged for sexist and unprofessional behavior during the investigation. Proctor didn't testify, but his texts, which belittled and mocked Red, were revealed in court and painted a damning portrait of bias. Less than P data end equals 2190 data start equals 1818. Greater than less than P data end equals 2441 data start equals 2192 greater than. It's the second time this case has reached a jury. The first trial ended in a hung jury last year. Since then, public support for Reed has only grown, with vocal advocates outside the courthouse chanting, "Free Karen Reed," and demanding transparency. Less than P data end equals 2823 data is last node equals data is only node equals data start equals 2443. Greater than. The stakes couldn't be higher. The jury now must decide if this was an act of murder, a deadly reversal fueled by alcohol and rage, or the result of a deeply flawed investigation that pointed the finger at the wrong person. Either way, the verdict will echo beyond the courtroom. It's not just about Karen Reed anymore. It's about how much faith we have left in justice itself. Stay subscribed for more videos.